Kumusta mga kadrama? Pag-usapan natin itong aking nakita sa aking newsfeed tungkol sa isang Bisaya na nilait at sinabihan ng masama at pinagtawanan pa siya. Ano nga bang iyong gagawin kung lalaitin ka at pagsasalitaan ng masama dahil sa iyong pagiging Bisaya? Mga kadrama, muli ay makisilip tayo sa drama ng mga sikat, nagpapasikat at gustong sumikat. Dito sa video na aking napanood, naalarma at nairita ang dalawang babae nang lapitan sila para laitin at pagsabihan ng masama ng isang lalaki dahil sa kanilang pagiging Bisaya. Pinilit nilang magpakahinahon kahit ang totoo'y nakakapikon ang sinasabi ng lalaking ito na nang iinis at hindi mo maunawaan kung naghahanap nga ba ng away, nagtitrip lamang o merong sakit sa pag-iisip. Panoorin po natin itong video.
Where the fucking police there? Huh?
You have to wait.
Yolanda, you fucking crazy, Yolanda. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. You Visayan. Look at you.
Who's saying that?
Look
Who's
at
saying
you.
that? I'm Bisayan?
Yeah, look at you. I can hear.
Discrimination.
I know your language. I know your language. The Visayans are all stupid.
What about you?
What about you guys?
I put this in the social media.
Filipinos are happy. Visayans, they're not Filipino.
Okay.
I cannot believe you, know.
No, they're not Filipino.
Ah!
Hey, post them on your social media.
Oh
because
yes,
you
I
know it's
will.
wrong.
Thousands of people will see, millions of people.
Thousands of people.
See you.
You nobody following you. 600 people in
You almost
Philippines.
hate my
You
grandson.
don't know me. I'm a vlogger. You don't have any idea. I'm a vlogger, brother.
You stupid Visayans. Look at you.
See, look, what you doing?
Who look like stupid
Fucking-
like this?
Hey, Visayans is stupid.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Hey, on my life.
Okay.
Any Visayan can come up to me, I'm gonna kick their ass.
Okay.
Oh my
Okay.
God. Is it
Okay.
you?
I get
Okay.
my guns ready.
Oh, that's why
Okay.
what you did. You almost hit my grandson.
I don't give a
When
fuck.
hold him.
Your grandson,
Slapped me
hey, your
in my,
grandson,
in
little
my
bit,
lip piece.
he little bit behind your grandson. I don't know. Is he autistic? I'm sorry if he's autistic. Is he down? Does he have Down syndrome? Is he special?
Look at yourself.
Oh, I'm fine.
I'm fine. Look at yourself.
I'm fine. Look at you, stupid Visayan.
Okay. See some more.
Everybody can.
Hey, you're an ugly Visayan. You can't even do my mom's work.
Bagamat sinabihan na ng babaeng nagbibideo na ipopost niya ito sa social media, ay pinagtawanan lamang niya ito. At ayon na nga sa kanilang pag-uusap, ay may ginawa ng kalokohan ang lalaki. Dahil nga sinaktanan nito ang apo ng babaeng senior citizen na nakikipagtalo dun sa lalaking kumukutya sa kanila. Ayon pa dun sa lalaki ay kung autistic daw o special yung bata. Subalit hindi natatapos sa panglalait ang ginawa ng lalaki, kundi lalo pang nakakainis ang sunod nitong ginawa.
Who works housekeeping 12 o'clock at night? I'm gonna check out already.
You don't even know the rules under the
Huh?
I'm doing.
All you do, all you do
at the swim time.
Agsagad ka lang. Agsagad ka lang.
Yes,
Talk-
we scrub the
talk
toilet
story.
bowl. We
Talk
took
story. Wash everybody's ass.
But I love my job. Even I'm a housekeeping.
I don't give a fuck.
That's my bread and my butter.
I know that's your
worked
bread.
there in Halikua for almost 20 years.
That's all the Visayans know. That's why only cleaning.
What about your mom?
That's
What your
what
mom
we
do? What your mom do?
My mom was a manager. She didn't even touch nothing here.
Manager?
The same on me, the same line on me, the same job.
Yeah,
but
right.
the thing is working daytime and working
Yeah, right.
swing time.
Hoy! What you doing?
Putang ina si Loko, tinawag ituloy yan, Sai. Putang ina yan, Sai.
You're stupid. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
That's
Look
what
at
you
that.
doing, you know.
You know what? You need to fix your brain.
So,
Gantay namin yung pulis. Ayan, pumasok dito. Look.
look what you doing.
Ayan,
no?
kuha ng tubig. You're trespassing. You're trespassing. Look at that. Look at that. You're trespassing.
Bukuno na ako, Sai.
Ay. Kuha ka ng cellphone mo. Kunin mo yung cellphone mo. Tumawag ka. Tawagan mo nga si Tante, Daddy. Tawagan mo nga si Tante. Grabe nang ginawa. Tawagan mo.
Kita tayo?
Si Tante. Kinsa mo rin tawagan mo? Tawagan si Tante. Siya tagiya
Ayaw
na.
ko ba? Nawala yung
Is this
phone
already? Ay, saan po kawakay po ng ni Tante? Meron ka, no?
Hintay mo lang yung pulis.
Pulis na lang, Sai.
At bagamat walang linaw ang sunod na aksyon na ginawa nila, maririnig mo naman na may hinihintay silang pulis. Sa ipinakitang behavior ng lalaki, ay posibleng may sakit ito sa pag-iisip. Kaya dapat lamang na maging maingat tayo at agad na humingi ng tulong kapag dumarating yung ganitong mga pagkakataon, bago pa mauwi sa kung saan yung ginagawa ng taong ibig na manggulo. Kaya nga dapat na maging maingat tayo dahil maaaring nasa paligid lamang yung taong gagawa ng masama sa atin. Paki-share and like po ng video na ito at muli po, madramang salamat. Ang inyo pong suporta, ang aking inspirasyon.